If you're running multi-day tours on spreadsheets or an old legacy system, then you've probably thought about upgrading more than once. Hi, I'm Al from Odyssey. We want to introduce you to our 1-year transition program. This program is specifically designed to support operators move from your old inefficient systems into Odyssey. You see, we've met a lot of you multi-day tour operators at trade events at the end of your season. You approach us with this overwhelming desire and passion to do something about these problems you experience season after season. You look at Odyssey and you go, wow, we need that. Everything in one system, that would be just nirvana. But then something happens, right? The thought of change becomes overwhelming. You don't want to put pressure on your team because it might cause stress shifting from what they already know. And so the thought of change in your off season becomes just too difficult. And here's why. You see, your off season isn't really off, is it? You're exhausted, your team's tired and needs resetting, you're planning for next year, you're attending these trade events, etc. And bookings are starting to actually come in. And if you're a Ma and Pa size operator, you are doing all of these things. So that's where most projects fall apart, not because the software is wrong, not because the team can't handle it, but because the timing just doesn't respect the rhythm of your business. So nothing ends up happening, you get stuck in this annual cycle of same, nothing changes. So instead of asking operators to squeeze everything into a 14 frantic days of onboarding, we've built the Odyssey year-long transition program around a simple idea. You see, we work with your tourism calendar, not against it. So how do we approach this? Well, we start with a discovery call. This is an opportunity for us to learn about your business, your operations, and to understand the issues you're trying to solve. From this, you will walk away with a documented snapshot of your bottlenecks and some recommendations for how Odyssey can help. So even before anything goes live, you gain some clarity. For the Northern Hemisphere, we want to be having these conversations with you in between January and March. For the Southern Hemisphere, it's around June and August. And then we create a customized demo built around the discovery info and your workflows. And once you're comfortable moving forward, we put some agreements in place. So here's where it changes, you see. During your busy season, we do the building. So while you're delivering tours and focusing on guests, our team configures the system and handles the data migration in the background. You're not copying and pasting guest details after a 10-hour day. You're not trying to figure out settings when the phones are ringing. You're not risking disruption mid-season. Then as your season winds down, around October, November for the Northern Hemisphere, that's when we roll it out and we get you to do some work with us and get your team using Odyssey. So when they actually have headspace, they come on this journey and they've just got that familiarity and trust and confidence and a willingness to change. Because real change in a complex tour business doesn't happen in a sprint. It happens in stages. You need to get some clarity. There needs to be some building, some refinement, training, and then going live. It's a steady walk, guys, not a frantic scramble. If you've been telling yourself this is the year you finally fix the systems, but you want to do it properly, start with a discovery. We encourage you to register for a discovery call. No pressure, absolutely no commitment. Just clarity on where you are and what a realistic roadmap might look like for you guys. So that's step one. Just click on the link below and we'll set it up for you. Thanks.